Hey folks, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta from Dragon Ball GT. If you must know, here's a known fact. Gogeta is one of the main characters from one of the main heroes who managed to help stop the evil Omega Shenron from the Super Dark Dragon Balls. And, if you must know, Gogeta, you see, for the first time ever, Vegeta decided to finally swallow his pride and accept the fact that, Goku and Vegeta can combine into Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. So, anyways, Goku and Vegeta transform, use their fusion technique, and through their Super Saiyan 4 pose, and, one sec, and, they used that power to defeat Omega Shenron, but unfortunately the effects wore off, releasing Nova Shenron in the process. But, anyways, let's get started on drawing him, shall we? There was also a Super Saiyan 4 Vegito, but, I'll save that for another time. So, anyways, when drawing him, I wonder what'll happen if Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta and Super Saiyan Blue Vegito ever fused. You know, I've been getting a lot of comments on that, about the TV series ever fusing Goku and Vegeta. I mean, fusing Vegito and Gogeta. And, another thing about Gogeta at Super Saiyan 4. His hair is red rather than black. Back during, kind of like Super Saiyan God Red. And not the, kind of like Super Saiyan God Red, and not the, regular Super Saiyan 4 Black. I have heard of a Super Saiyan, one sec, I have heard rumors that, when fusing, Super Saiyan 4 hair can transcend from black to red, kind of like Super Saiyan God. I think Goku and Vegeta gains red hair, cause, I think it's the Super Saiyan 4 version of Super Saiyan God. After all, in Dragon Ball Super Saiyan 4 was not seen in the show, because, Super Saiyan 4 didn't exist back then. But, you get the idea. I wonder if Goku Jr. will ever run into Lord Beerus in one of these days. Okay, okay, here's his neck. Here. You wanna know something about the Spirit Bomb? You see, Saiyans can't use the Spirit Bomb at their Super Saiyan form because that power is fueled by rage. Okay, I'm at Pika. There's his arm here. There we go. And finally, here's his Super Saiyan 4 tail. And done. That's how you draw a Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Anyway, happy summer, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I've got a question for you guys. Which character do you think is stronger? Which fusion is the strongest? Vegito or Gogeta? Some people think it's Gogeta, but I prefer Vegito. But, anyways, that's how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Have a nice series. Have a nice weekend. Bye!